Swim, climb, run. These give you energy, endurance, ups your heart rate, strengthens your heart and lung power. But when stiffness and vicious cycle of pain occurs, reach for Mentopass medicated plaster. Stop the pain. Basta't sakit ng kalamnan, i-Mentopass mo.
We are about to witness the 50-meter women's run. Heat number 1 po ito. Lane assignment is Alvis of Snaku Green occupying lane number 1. For the blue team, si Precious Valencia occupying lane number 2. Lane number 3 para sa white team, Candy Bregoli, Miriam Santiago at lane number 4 for Samsung Silver. For Lactum Red, Eileen Papin and Michelle Esteres completing the lineup. Nandun sa lane number 6, siya ay sa Celine Orange. And the runners look roughed up and ready. Maiksing karera lang to, 50-meter dash. Heat number 1, tapos magkakaroon ng heat number 2 mamaya at merong finals. So the ladies, they're medyo unorthodox na simula. Ang usapan dito ay kanya-kanyang diskarte sa iyong starting stance. Just waiting for the gun to blast and then we'll be off and on our way para dito sa very short na 50-meter race. Ala ko false start at well, the ladies just asked to relax for a while. Nobody's going to be assessed a penalty here pero nakwentuhan ng konti itong si Ace Alvis of Snaku Green dahil naisahan siya at naunahan niya yung putok ng gun o yung whistle. Okay, ladies getting ready to limber up again and just waiting for the gun. Okay, the early lead being taken by Candy Bregoli at mukhang sila ng silver. White at silver lang ang magkaharap dito. It's almost a tie kung sa karera ng kabayo to, photo finish to eh. Pero Candy Bregoli and Miriam Santiago almost at the same time breaking the tape. But eventually, tingnan natin ulit, it's a slow motion. It's going to be very close. Now yung naka-green at yung naka-red medyo falling out na rito, pati yung blue. Yung orange lang ang medyo may threat pa rito. Yan si Michelle Esteres. Pero at this point, palayo na rin siya. Well, it's very, very close. Dito na tayo sa heat number 2 ng 50-meter dash for ladies. At nakikita na natin yung mga kasali rito. Some familiar faces there. Vina Morales in blue, occupying lane number 2. And Eileen Villaroya of Snaku Green dun sa lane number 1. Balikan natin yung iba. Nadine Aidcott, nakita natin kanina. Dun sa white team, Joanne Quintas sa lane number 3. Lane number 4, Joanne Quintas, representing Samsung Silver. Claudia Coronel at lane number 5 para sa Lactum Red. At si Star Villarreal at lane number 6 for Celine Orange. Yung kaninang heat number 1 nakuha ni Candy Bregoli, winning by just a nose over Miriam Santiago. 8:22, 8 seconds, or rather 8.22 seconds ang kanyang clocking. Ito na ngayon, ang karera, nangunguna yung sa blue pero humahabol yung puti. And let's see, mukhang huling-huli ni Vina yung karerang to. Vina Morales there. Like a gazelle, very dazzling dun sa kanyang pagtakbo. And, well, there was a threat there. Mula kay Joanne Quintas, I believe. Tama, Joanne Quintas for silver. The longest strides here belong to her. Pero pagdating dito sa kalahati ng karera, mukhang si Vina kaya pang isustain yung kanyang speed. And she went on to win this. Pumangalawa pa yung sa green. Yes, yung sa green is si Irene Villaroya. Joanne Quintas placed third. Ang clocking ni Vina Morales, 8.32.
Alright, we have here our winner for the women's 50-meter dash. Makugulat pa ba kayo? Miss Vina Morales, congratulations.
So congratulations, of course, on our team. then of course we worked hard for it.
Sure. So what kind of preparation did you do to be that fast? What makes you so fast?
Probably I'm just well rested, and yes, I am. And of course I go to the gym once in a while, but very good. Yeah, with my hectic schedule, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard, but I go dance din naman, so I'm into shape. So thank God I won, and of course through prayers. Walang tatalo dyan.
Wow, congratulations.
Thanks, dude. Thank
So you're like the fastest woman alive in the Philippines.
Of course
outside.
not. No, we're showbiz.
Philippine showbiz, sorry.
Actually, we're gonna run again for another 15-meter dash. So we'll
Okay,
see.
go get
I'm
him.
gonna win.
All right, congratulations. Good luck.
Good luck. Thanks, girlie.
And there you have it. Congratulations to all the participants. And you know what? Way to go, guys. Keep on gunning for those scores.
Stay stocked for more of celebrity sports action here at the Star Olympics 2002. We'll be bringing you more of the gripping action, the thrills of victory, and the heartaches of defeat every step of the way in the only celebrity sports fest in the land. So keep it here.
All right.
Celine Celebrity Kids Water Adventure. The water events of the Star Olympics are some of the most popular in the annual Sports Fest of the Stars. But just a few days before the stars made their splash, their kids had their very own swim fest in the Celine Celebrity Kids Water Adventure at the Celebrity Sports Club. It was a delightful day that had mummies and even daddies sharing fun, spirited competition, and prizes galore for winning and simply participating. It was a day filled with lots of love, just like the way Celine cares for your children. May purong pagmamahal, purong proteksyon. Power tomorrow sports champions today with Celine. Celine with 100% pure vitamin C protection.
Kilala niyo ba si Mark Spitz? Alam niyo ba nangolekta siya ng gold medal sa swimming sa Munich Olympics? Dito kaya sa Star Olympics, sino kaya ang mangongolekta ng gold medal sa swimming? Oh, di ako naka-swimming suit.
The pool para sa mixed relay final between the 6 teams, all 6 represented by 4 swimmers each. Pero meron tayong exception dito, yung Lactum Red, which is opting for 3 swimmers at magdodoble katawan na lang yung
coordinator for the green team?
Well, specifically Jeffrey Breeze.
The green and the red team.
And some positions already taken on the pool or in the pool. Nandun na yung iba.
Sa red team po, si
As you can see,
Claudia,
medyo iba yung
Eileen,
format nitong
Jeffrey,
relay na to.
and
No?
Jeff.
Yung designated na magsisimula ng karera will pass it somewhere dun sa middle for the female swimmers to take over para tapusin, at pagdating doon sa kabila, isa na naman ang tatapos.
Wala pa pong
Or rather, isa na naman lap ang lalanguyin noong yung pangatlo bale na magdadive.
green team organizers.
So we're almost ready. Medyo natatahimik ng konti ang mga tao rito. Just waiting for this event to begin.
Red team,
Mixed
kulang pa
relay
po ng
final
isa.
po ito dito po sa Star Olympics 2002. Maymay, natatanaw natin. She's swimming for the blue team.
Okay, calling po yung isang member pa ng red team. Kung hindi, magdodoble
Occupy
po
as
yung...
usual, lane number 2. Lane number 1 pa rin, yung green.
Tama, Stella.
Lane number 3.
Dito daw ba? Tama ba yung pwesto
Yung
na nasa
white.
gitna?
But of course, yung color
Tama
scheme
daw
dito
po.
medyo maiiba na rin. But then, yung swimwear ng mga babae talagang always a sight to behold pagka may Star Olympics.
Yung nasa gitna sa white po kayo pumila.
And we're almost ready. Good start para sa ating mga swimmers. Maagang rumatsyada si Maymay dun sa lane number 2. At doon sa bandang kanan niya, sa silver, lumalaban. That looks like Nicole Yabot starting out. Naipasa na niya doon sa kasunod na swimmer. At ganun din, well, itong sa green medyo nahuhuli nang natanaw nyo on the foreground. Now it's the silver team with the lead. Samantha Lopez, nice stride. Okay lang. At maipapasa niya ito doon sa susunod na swimmer nila, si Joel Mendez, who, as I understand, will be taking the whole 100-meter length. This is the silver team, Samsung Silver, very much in the lead right now. At mukhang pumapangalawa na medyo malayo, although still a threat, yung white team ng Surf. Surf White has Romeo Flores there, at saka si Romeo Olivar dun sa anchor legs nila. Starting out with Charmaine Suarez and then Catalina Perez. Malapit nang maipasa ng silver team dun sa last swimmer nila, who happens to be Jeffrey Santos. Samantala yung red team pumangalawa dun sa pagtalon. That is Jeffrey Breeze na nagbabalak humabol dito kay Jeffrey Santos. So dalawang Jeffrey itong nagkakarera pagdating sa dulo, but it looks like Jeffrey is well on the way to winning this one. Dahil parang yung ibang kalaban nawala na at hindi tatapos ng karera. Yung green team has fallen out and yung blue team is on the verge of doing the same. Nice stride, Samantha eggs on her teammate. And there at the finish, sumunod pa yung white team na si Romeo Olivar ang tumapos. Tapos red ang pumangatlo rito. Ang clocking ng silver, 2 minutes 6.02 seconds.